Hello guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Grand Palace ng Ho Chi Minh City or Saigon City ng Vietnam. Papakita ko sa inyo guys ang Grand Palace. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please support my YouTube channel. Watch my videos and click subscribe. I will show you guys the Grand Palace. Ganda niya guys. Kailangan kong mapanahan. May water fountain siya sa gitna guys. Ang lawak ng paligid. At yan ang Grand Palace na may sinabi kanina ang papakita ko yung rooms na pinuntahan namin. Nagpa-picture kami. Yan guys ang hagdan. Pupunta sa palace, pero bawal dyan umakyat. Ang ganda-ganda niya guys. May mga foreigners ang bumibisita dito sa Grand Palace ng Vietnam. Tapos ito guys, room. And another one. Hanggang dito lang kayo pumunta guys sa picture. Hindi na kayo pumunta dun sa ibang rooms. This one, ganda-ganda. Beautiful. Yan. Beautiful. And this one here. This one here. Yan. Itong room. Hindi namin ito pinuntahan kanina. Mga chandelier.
Following the camera system, right? Now you see the clear.
Thank you. Palabas na ako guys. Palabas na ako ng Grand Palace kasi nga ang mga kasama ko ay nandun na. Lilipat na daw kami pero medyo nagano ako kasi nag-umpisa pa lang ako sa aking vlog. Yan guys, ang ganda-ganda. The Vietnam flag. Ang ganda ng mga water fountains. Sasakay na kami guys sa bus going to another destination. Nambura ako ng ano. I deleted some files so that I can make a vlog. Grand Palace.
The church, Notre Dame Cathedral, we cannot go inside. We generally stand outside because right now the church they are rebuilt again. Okay, and this one it will controlled by also Vatican. Do you know Vatican? Vatican also controlling the Basilica.
Yes.
Yeah, Notre Dame Cathedral is a little Basilica in Saigon, and we review for what? Everything we need to review. We come to 3 minutes only. Just over there. You can go down in there. Okay. Okay. Now we will go down and walking through the street over there. Okay.
So this is the cathedral Notre
by your
Dame
left
of
side, this
Saigon.
one will be Notre Dame Cathedral, a little basilica in here. Okay, and we will walking. Do you want to walking over there to take a picture outside everything, and then we come back? Okay. Okay, and opposite you will be the boss office. In the boss office, they have two zones. Outside zone will be for souvenir shop, and inside will be the place for you. If you want to write letter for yourself, you can come in there to write letter. And it's still working right now. Okay, so right now we will go down from here. Okay. If you don't want to go, you can stay. You can follow me.
Kami guys. Pupunta kami dun sa post office. At saka ano pa yan?
Iya. Ana, ako siya maglusad. Sabi kan.
Bye.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, I'm still doing anay. Beautiful garden here in Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Dito kita.
Okay, my group. You can follow me this way. Go to the post office.
So, dito kami guys. Saan lugar nga to, Sir Archie? Saan lugar nga to? Sir Archie, anong lugar nga to? Ano pupunta natin? Post office? Post office guys. Andito ang, ano nga to? Church ba to? Hindi ako nakinig sa aming tour guide guys. Pasensya na. Saan ba tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta? Beautiful flowers, beautiful garden. Nandito kami sa aming tour guide. Kailangan namin pumunta sa aming tour guide for his instructions, explanations, and descriptions of the place, guys. Okay, this is the post office, guys. And we are here at the post office of Vietnam, Saigon, Vietnam. The old name. The present name is Ho Chi Minh City.
The second beautiful post office in the world.
Dapat galigin post ko.
Okay, my group can have one group photo from here.
One group photo daw. Go, go, go.
One only in here.
One group photo.
Okay, please.
Dali na, go na, go na. Group daw. Ay, sus.
Group photo dito.
Okay.
Group daw. Amazing. And everyone. Si Abrimon. Wala na, wala na. Kanya-kanya na.
Ay, sorry.
Come on, come on, come on. Run, run, run. Make a run, make a run. Careful. Okay, please. Okay, look at my camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mabayad ka naman sina Sir Brimon.
Okay, look at that one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, we say Vietnam, okay?
Gaidan.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
we
what
say
to say?
Vietnam.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Vietnam!
Okay, the last one in here.
Pero ito si Maninay.
Bayaran na maninay.
Manila, message is squappy. Why you not come here?
Ikaw, mambeya ka nila.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
The other one.
Brother Louie.
One video.
Okay. Okay.
And one video. Vietnam. Okay, brother?
Okay. Say hi Vietnam, okay? Hi Vietnam.
Hi, Vietnam.
Hi, Vietnam! Xin chào!
Okay, my group right now we have about 15 to 20 minutes inside, okay? And then we come back here with me. Okay, I will take care of you long when you come inside.
Oh my goodness, hindi na off. Ano ba yan? The Diamond Plaza in Vietnam. So this is the post office, guys. We will go inside. Oh, there are many souvenir things to buy from this place. Oh, the architectural design, beautiful. Look at the architectural design. It's beautiful, guys. Ganda. Maganda nga itong ano kanila. Ganda. Ganda, ganda. Yung food stalls na siya. Then we have here the stores. The stall for souvenirs. Here I am. Da, na, na, na. Daming mga products, souvenirs dito sa post office. Ay, post office to guys, part ng post office. Hindi na yata ginagamit ngayon itong post office. Isa siyang tourist destination. Grabe guys, ang daming tao dito sa post office. Talagang ano siya, this is mga tourist attractions ng ng Vietnam. Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City. Ang Saigon pala guys ay old name ng Ho Chi Minh City. Ang Ho Chi Minh City pinangalan sa kanilang warrior na si Ho Chi Minh na nagpalaya sa Vietnam mula sa pananakop ng mga dayuhan. So yun ang natutunan na lamang ko sa aming tour guide. So maraming souvenirs guys pwedeng bilhin. Beautiful. Beautiful building. That one, beautiful. Wow, yung ano, ganda. Yan ang Cathedral Notre Dame of Saigon. Wow, mga kalapati. Kalapating mababa. Sir Erwin wants to pee with you. Yeah, instead of saying, I want to be with you, I want to pee with you. My goodness.
Maiba ka ha?
Ang haba magbaba, di nala. Louis Vuitton store. Grabe. The Louis Vuitton.
Okay,
The authentic
who
Louis
go down,
Vuitton.
you can go down from here and come over there to take a picture for 10 minutes. Then we come back here with me and we go to the market for you. Okay?
Okay.
So, pupunta kami guys sa Opera House dito sa Vietnam. Opo. And this one is the Opera House.
With the statue? No. Picture with the statue.
This is the Opera House here in Vietnam. Oo, sige. Hindi ka matinong kami. Hindi lang siguro. Balik na kita. High-rise building sa Vietnam, oh. Ang lalaki. Wow, that building. Very cute. Very unique. But this one, guys, ito yung Opera House na aming binisita. Nandiyan yung modelo. This is the beautiful city of Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. Ano ang ganda? Beautiful. Kaya lang.
Happy to see our culture. And we don't have traditional anything in here. And also like
Narito kami yan guys sa Bethlehem Market. Makakabili daw dito ng mura, ewan ko lang. Pero yung mga naka-orange t-shirt, sa government daw yan na negosyo. Kaya hindi pwedeng tumawad, bawal ang haggling. Sa loob, pwede kaming mag-haggle. Let's take a look at the prices. Ito yung market guys sa Vietnam. Makita nyo guys yung presyohan. Luwak coffee 200,000 dong. Merong 180,000 resell coffee. Ang coconut coffee ay 150,000 dong. Legend 120,000. Ayan. Yan guys yung presyohan dito. Mura sir. Naghanap kami CR. At si Mama Rico nag-CR. Ang daming mabibili. Ang daming mabibili dito sa market ng Vietnam. Bentham Market. Bentham. Hindi ko na Bentham Market. Bumili lang ako ng t-shirt para sa asawa at anak.